Welcome to the Django series. Today I will talk about how to create a project in a Django. So I'll explain a complete process that how to create a project, how to create a virtual environment in the project. So first of all, I'll create one directory, that is project. Once the directory is created, I just open that directory. Under that project 2, we need to set virtual environment because we are using specific version for this project. So I just open the terminal. You can see there is no any file under the project 2 folder. So first of all, we'll create a virtual environment for this project. To create a virtual environment, we need to type a command python -m virtual environment and name of the virtual environment. Once we create the virtual environment, that virtual environment folder is get created. Under that folder, different files are there. We need to activate this particular virtual environment. So as soon as it gets created, it will have many files under that folder. Now once this virtual environment is created, we can check there are many files under that folder. We need to activate that virtual environment. To activate that virtual environment, we need to type a command, let's say folder, under that scripts is a folder, under that we need to activate the virtual environment. Now the virtual environment is get activated. Once the virtual environment is get activated, we need to install Django specific version. So to install the Django version, command is pip install name of the Django version. If I am using specific version 3.0.2 or if I am using 4.0, I need to mention. If I want to install the latest version of Django, I don't want to mention any specific version name. So once I press enter, it will install the latest Django version for this virtual environment so that we can use all the features and the functions for the Django 4.2 for this particular project. Now you can see that particular Django is also available for this project after installation. It will take some time to install the Django. Once the Django is installed in the specific project, we can verify that package under the script folder. You can find django-admin is get installed. Now under that project 2 folder, we need to create a Django project. So to create a Django project, command is django-admin start project. You can mention the project name. For this particular project 2, I'll write the project name is prj2. This is my project. So under that project 2 folder, it will create prj2 project. So you can find the one more folder is created under this project 2 folder, that is prj2. If I just explore that prj2, you can find one more folder, that is prj2. That folder consists of different files. Now we'll explore that file, what are the purpose of that files and why that files are required in the project. The very first file under that project is __init__.py. This file will treat the folder as one Python package. So it will treat that particular folder is one of the package under that project. Moving ahead, the next file setting.py. As the name suggests, various kind of project settings are there under that file. We'll explore this setting.py file in the next session so that you can understand each and every part of the setting.py file. But for introductory purpose, setting.py file will set the database connectivity, will set some media settings like images. We can add the style sheet under the setting file. We can set the JavaScript path under the setting file. And so many other settings are also there that we can set under the setting.py file. Next file is url.py. This is a file where we can set the URL configuration. It will contain all link and the function to call from this URL. Next file is web server gateway interface. If you need to deploy a project over the web server gateway interface, that time this file is important. We need to modify certain things under that file. This is actually used in the synchronous Python app. Another file in the same folder is ASGI. That is called as a asynchronous server gateway interface. It is a successor of web server gateway interface. It provides a standard interface between Python web server and web application. And the very most important file under that project too is manage.py. This file interact with the command line to run the project along with the many applications. So whenever you create any Django project, it consists of project folder, and under that these are the inbuilt files that get created. We need to modify this file according to the requirement. So hope you understand how to create a Django project. Still, if you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. So I'll be more happy to give the more explanation of your doubt. Thanks for watching this video.